Hey you guys, welcome back to Mayfield Ranch. My name's Katie, and today the kids and I are going to be out in our garden picking some ground cherries and some fresh mint so we can show you how to make a pretty cool garden fresh drink. What are you guys doing? Let me show you what's going on out here. What are you guys doing? I got a couple of new piggies. Let me show you what's going on out here.
That's it. If I pick up a rock that's really heavy, I'll be able to get it.
What are you guys doing?
Alice is stuck in the mud. And I wanted to get the rocks, but now my shoes are stuck. It doesn't matter if I get my feet muddy. Rocks. Ow. Don't care how long
Who put all the rocks in there?
Pierce and Maddie. I put in like 2. Yeah.
You guys are wallowing around like little piggies, huh?
We love in the mud. It's so fun. What, Maddie? You just grab this and you'll get out. Let's do it again. Oh, jeez. I'm really... That was so fun, Lily. These are delicious. We're going to show you guys how to make the best juice from our garden. We need mint and ground cherries. First, we're going to start with a little lemonade and add some water to water it down. We're going to add a little strawberry and now in water. We're going to slice up the mint. We're going to slice up the mint. We're going to add some mint. We're going to add some mint. Really good. We're going to add some mint. Smells good. We're going to slice some ground cherries. We're going to add some ground cherries. Maddie, don't pick those up. Oh, Jackie inside. Oh, I need some skin. I need some skin.
Hey, let's stir it up and see how it goes. See how it tastes.
Mix it up.
I'll take the spoons.
Alice, can you help me get some? That's good. Please try this at home. It'll be delicious. Let's do it some more.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over.
This is such a simple, easy drink to make, and it's a way to get fresh fruits in for the kids. Thanks you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.